another question, and the question says that object P moves vertically with simple harmonic motion. Object Q moves in vertical circle with uniform speed. P and Q have the same time period t. When P is at top of its motion here, Q is at the bottom of its motion. Okay. What is the interval between successive times when the acceleration of P is equal and opposite to the acceleration of Q? So in this question, there is a motion going over there in the P, and there is a motion at the Q. So suppose there is a acceleration towards downward, and at this point there will be in a circular motion, there will be an acceleration towards upward. So at this point, at t equal to 0 also, the acceleration is equal and opposite to each other. But we have to find the next successive time when the interval where the acceleration of p will be equal and opposite to the acceleration of q. So in these graphs, if I draw the graph, this time period, I'll write it because the time period for both is same. So it will be t by 4, t by 2 and 3t by 4, and it will complete the circle at t, and it will start also at t equal to 0 and it will complete at t equal to t. So it will move like this, and in this also it will go like this. So it will comes down to t by 4 at this position, t by 2, and then it goes back 3t by 4 and it will complete the circle at t. So it will move like this, it will move like this. So in this, the graph will be like, it is starting from here, the graph will be like this, and for other body the graph would be complete opposite to that of it. So at t equals to 0 and it is t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4 and it is t. So at this position, because that it is the next successive time, otherwise here also it is opposite and negative to each other. T by 2 is the point when the acceleration, that is the AT graph, acceleration is equal and opposite to each other for both of the cases, like this is P and this is Q. So in the, it is done graphically. If you will see that acceleration will be maximum at this point, at the extreme points it will be the maximum and it will be the opposite. So both are going like this. So when they will be at the extreme positions, they will be have equal acceleration. When they will at this, then it will do this. When it will be like this, then it will do this. So in this question, B option will be the right, t by 2. You can see that t by 2 acceleration is equal and opposite to each other. Now we will check the mark scheme. Mark scheme says B is the right answer. So hope you understood this question. This question is little bit tricky. So you need to practice and you need to analyze what they want to say in this question. So thank you for watching this question.